So basically, there is a service detail service, right? Get service detail.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if we can call that, you don't have to define this method entirely. Then
Okay.
all you get is like service DTO directly from that, right?
Yeah. So yeah, modify,
But
make some
we'll have to
changes.
modify that service as well to get the customer migration status, right?
Yeah, the one. Yeah, that one. The other one. Yeah.
Yeah, but we'll have to check with Rakesh or Arvind. Okay. So check, I'll give you the name. Check when he's available. Okay, let's get on a call with him.
Yeah. I'll do that. So
Okay.
the to get the circuit migration value, then I'll have to make changes in the service order microservice, right? And that the first thing
Yeah.
is that
So
because it doesn't have a get method for maybe I'm looking at the wrong code again, but it doesn't have the get method
yeah,
for service ID. Mm,
yeah, looks like yeah. So this is the guy. Check with him in the morning. Okay, find the slot with him
yeah,
and set up a call. I'll join with you as well.
sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll
So
do that.
we had to do two things, right? We know where the customer migration service extension, customer migration, right? How to get this in activation domain, right?
Uh,
That is what we want to do, right?
correct.
Because service order domain is different,
Yeah,
activation domain is different.
correct.
So we have to rely on a service to get the object, right?
Correct.
And then we need a class to persist that object. So the class is already there,
Mm-hmm.
but we'll have to maybe add additional attribute there, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Catch up with him, okay? Our Rakesh Singh, I give you the name also. You'll have to do a bit of independent work, okay?
Yeah, yeah. That's
Uh,
Anand.
this guy Rakesh Singh. Catch with Arvind first. If Arvind is not there, okay.
Got it. Yeah. So basically, let me summarize it. So we do have a service GTO object available over there. But from let me give you what I understood from what I researched. Okay, so there is a service GTO object that has attributes. That has attribute for all the columns in service ext table, but it doesn't have
Yeah,
one for circuit migration. So I have to
yeah.
add a new
So
column
so
in the
so
method,
there
right?
are the service DTO defined in the service order domain
Mm.
has the attribute and they are already persisting it, right?
Yeah, but we don't have
But now
circuit
we want
migration.
to use that attribute in activation domain
Yes.
and we want to know the service that will return that field, right? The
Yeah.
customer
Yeah.
migration field.
So,
There is an existing service
yeah.
that we can start using it or maybe modify that existing service so that it can return the additional field, right?
Uh huh.
Um, and yeah, I mean that's the only change, right? And then it's just a matter of then getting that object right in that
Correct.
update
Correct. Correct. Once we get the
method,
object,
right?
yeah, it's done. Yeah.
The method that you have here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where is that? In this method, right? Update design status.
Uh huh. That is correct. Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. True.
all you have to do is just like this, right? You're doing the XMCDTO.
Yeah.
Um, you have to just get that and go from there.
Yeah. That's okay. But one more question I have
Or
is.
here, I think the order detail here it's getting get order details from order number.
Mm,
So similarly, or this one get trail, right? Trail ID and trail get trail ID.